when I was when I was a kid, I was diagnosed with scoliosis. Okay. And they weren't sure if I had it or not. I mean, I think you're about 12 years old when they check you in school for that. But then I ended up having a growth spurt. And what happened was my rib cage had turned so drastically. It was pressing on my heart and my lungs. And they told me if I did not have this experimental surgery, that I would die by 25. So it was kind of like one of those moments where you gotta hunker down and ride the wave kind of thing. And so what I did was I had a great system. My family was just an amazing support system, and I had the surgery done. But as I said, it was an experimental surgery. So as I was on the table, they lost me, and it was
Oh, wow.
really touch and go situation. Probably, I was in the hospital close to a month. Little stronger every day. But I will tell you, I remember I was in the ICU, which was kind of scary because I would come in and out of consciousness with that. And I do have parts that I remember, and I was on life support and all that stuff, and that's kind of freaky to wake up, to that. But I remember I actually prayed that I would live. I remember doing that, and they ended up taking off the life support, and I was breathing two breaths per minute, heartbeat of 280. Talk about, just contradiction right there. And then they were able to put me like into, they call it a step down room. So you're still in the ICU, but you're not like there. Um, and I remember I was just praying, and I was like, God, please, I want to do this. I'm ready to do this. And it was like a tsunami of pain ended up washing over me. And it was the most painful and beautiful moment of my life because I remember that's when I was alive.